So we finally made it to Deadwood, and we opted to stay at 10 Lizzie's Gaming Resort, which happens to have an affiliated Hampton Inn on site. Now, a little backstory about me. I used to be a road warrior. I traveled 100% of the time. I stayed exclusively in Hampton Inns. No, they're not the swankiest places in the world. They're not the Waldorf Astoria. They're not the Four Seasons. But I'll tell you, I came to love a good old Hampton Inn bed. So we are here today again at Hampton Inn, connected to 10 Lizzie's Gaming Resort in Deadwood. And we're going to take a look at room 415. Now, when you first when you first get to the room, you do have a seal on the door that, says that Hilton Clean Stay in partnership with Lysol. And the room does smell like Lysol. I don't think that's BS. So let's go in and check it out.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
FYI, if you do stay at Hampton Inn on Main Street in Deadwood, choose a room with a number that ends with an odd number. The rooms with an even number will put you on the busy side. There's like a main thoroughfare roadway that's right on the other side of this hotel. And from what I understood from reading a lot of the reviews here is that it's traffic noise all night long. It's mostly big trucks, and if you have trouble sleeping with loud noises, then do yourself a favor and get yourself a room with an odd number and not an even. So that is our room review of 10 Lizzie's Gaming Resort, Hampton Inn, room 415. Now we're gonna go downstairs and check our luck at gambling. Wish us luck. Bye. So when you check in at the Hilton, at the Hampton Inn, you get a couple of little perks. You get a $5 free play coupon for each person in the room to use at the casino, 10 Lizzie's. I'm sorry, honey, 10 Lizzie's on site. You also get a coupon for a buy one, get one free cocktail at an on-site restaurant called Paddy O'Neil's, or as I like to call it, Patio Furniture. So I ordered, and as we get to know each other better, you'll know my drink of choice is a Bacardi and Diet. Tommy, his drink of choice when he decides to drink, which isn't often, is a Bloody Mary. So he opted to get a Bloody Mary made with habanero vodka. And the nice bartender is making that right now. So I'm not gonna wait on you, so here we go. It's been 48 hours, no, 24 hours since I drank. It's gotta be some kind of record for me. And I had a nail blowout because, hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm not allowed to have anything nice. So there's that.
Alrighty, thank you,
Thank you so much. That's lovely. Okay, sit on camera. Let's see it. Ooh, you got pickles and lime and some olives, good size olives.
No bacon or no, French toast or anything like that, and chicken wings and stuff.
No, I'm exaggerating. It's really good. It's a little bit spicy with the habanero vodka, but it's not like, oh my God, why do you hate me? Spicy.
Ooh,
Yeah,
that'll warm you up.
indeed it will. So we again are going to go hit the tables a little later, try our luck at some 3-card poker. I'll probably play some blackjack, potentially some Ultimate Texas Hold'em. Of course, unfortunately, we can't video that, but we will be sure to video the big pile of money on the bed that we bring back to the hotel tonight.
Cool.
All right, so deuces.